Same adjustment with the weight stack. You've got the micro and main stack. You've also got another two adjustments. The first one is the placement of the seat. Now there's a handle at the back here which allows the seat to go back and forward. All right. Now where you need to be is that your back places up against the bottom of the seat and the back of your knee should be nice and tight at the bottom of the pad there. All right, so that's the first one. So once you've got that adjusted, if you feel like you're too far away, you'll need to move the seat forward. If your knee sits away from the end of the pad, then you need to move yourself back accordingly. So once you've got yourself in that position, then you adjust the second adjustment. And that is the small, medium, large with the little yellow pin here. And we can either go up or down. Again, depends on the height, but you want it to sit on the tongue of your shoe. And that's the right spot to pivot this pad off. So once you've got all that sorted, you can pop both feet in, pick your weight accordingly, sit back nice and comfortably, and we go for full extension. Now, as we slowly extend, don't drop it down, control the weight up as you control the weight down. And like with a lot of these machines, there are some variations. You can always try single leg, yeah, alternating, or double. And once you're done, hop off, give it a wipe, and that's your leg extension.